This is a photo I took at the San Francisco workshop. You see as I instructing the use of chiffon to animate my students in this workshop lighting. Instead of letting the bride, the subject holds onto the veil as usual. This time, I was more creative by tying a long chiffon. This chiffon sheet is about 10 meters long into a tree corner. And I will hold to throw it. This is how I works. Use a super wide angle lens. And now I only uses one mag beam light. In the third step. In this the picture, only the subject is bright. You can see that there is only the subject's face and this upper part is light and this lower part is dark. This it does not matter. And especially when we shoot, we need pay attention to composition. In this forest, I took pictures so that the composition wouldn't stick. That means the subject is in the middle and also don't cut these rhymes, it won't be beautiful. Well, with the use of only one mag beam, but the power is strong. Now the sun is very strong. I set aperture 11 and pushed the sky down. Then you see that I have a very beautiful picture. Well, with this picture, the shadow parts. Then I just need to push shadow up in post. And recompose the photo. And if I give the lower part more light, then I have the perfect picture. You review the operation that Sam uses chiffon like. Sam instructs the students how to take pictures and how to place the lights in this clip. In this tutorial I will guide you to edit a photo in the woods, flying chiffon like this. I will open the image first. First, to edit this photo, I will recompose the photo. According to a layout it is more suitable. The first is that I will switch this layout to 1/3 layout by dragging the subject up here. OK. Then Sam will stretch the picture. Then in the 4-step process that Sam shared with you. So it's always me to edit the subject first. After I compose the photo. Go to liquify, click liquify. Squeeze the subject. Shape the subject. OK. Now I see this picture, it is dark. The shadow part is very strong. So I will subtract shadow. Next, 2 times. OK. Then after I subtract shadow. Then I will add contrast to the photo. The picture is brighter now. Then to increase contrast like that, the image will be faded. I will add art to it. Slightly dark, reduce about 30 to 40%. I thinks about 35% is okay. This sky is not yet blue, I wants it bluer, then clicks on blue sky. That sky is bluer. This grass, if I want to be greener, go to color cast, plus green. Then, have greener grass. The sky is bluer. OK. My second step, before, after. Very quick and easy. Then now I will make his skin whiter by choosing white skin. If it's too bright, I will reduce the opacity 30–40% only, for the skin a little light. In this segment, this lower part is a bit dark, I will light it up. Before hitting me, merge the layer together a bit. Dodge up. Make the dress brighter. This hand part lights up. Hair is to let it increase contrast, darken it. Going to continue, block this chiffon. In these parts, I will want to darken it to make it stand out in other parts. And now to the part where I blocked, then these parts of the tree I will darken it a bit. The assistant stuck here, I will delete. Shift delete. I zoomed in so I could delete it more carefully. Then you have to work hard to delete this part, use the clone stamp. Here to save time, I will not do this part carefully. Then after I have finished editing this photo, I will liquefy these chiffons to make it more beautiful. I chose liquefy. And I squeeze. Then I just squeeze it lightly, so that the chiffon will become wavy. Then with just a few simple steps through FineArt Secret, I edited a photo from very dark colors. Become a picture with color, full color, impressive and sharp.